I praise you! You did it perfectly! Now we will learn the letter A and the semicolon. Finally, we will do a little recap. A is in the home row too, and we type it with left little finger. Press A. The right little finger can close the semicolon on the opposite side. Very good. Let's practice these two keys. Now we already know the starting fingers positions. Let's begin from the center of the home row. Find the bumps on the F and J keys and let the fingers on the keys. Great! Type D and K with middle fingers. S and L. And finally A and the semicolon. If you let the fingers on the letters, you have now the hands in the correct position. Always return the fingers in the home position. Press play.